This Porsche repair was shipped to me from Virginia, not because it was easy, but because it wasn't. This is a real world, high pressure, high level paintless dent repair, and I documented everything so you can see it through my lens. Welcome to the newest 3-part advanced PDR training series that I just uploaded to paintlessdentrepairtrainingvideos.com. Module 1, we're doing a smashed aluminum door. You're seeing exactly what I see, how I read tension, how I manage heat, how I choose starting points, and why. Aluminum can be a beast to work on, but we give you the keys to work on it efficiently. We also show the tools we're using and why we're using them, and also where to get them. Module 2, a plastic bumper repair. I walk you through my reshaping process step by step, how I apply controlled heat, how I sequence the repair so the plastic returns to form in the right manner and stays. Module 3 is a monster of a dent on a steel quarter panel. This one has it all. Crown control using tension, very limited access, and even shrinking some very stretched metal caused by the impact from this tire wall. Because clarity creates confidence, and confidence lets you say yes to jobs you used to avoid. And no matter how good you are, no matter how confident you feel, never stop improving, never stop learning. And that's the mindset that keeps you ahead of the game. We look forward to seeing you over at paintlessdentrepairtrainingvideos.com. Thanks for watching.